spirituality and science has no connection, then this video is for you. Have you ever seen the universe align for something big? Well, it's happening right now. Since 21st January, 7 planets, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune have been slowly coming together in a rare cosmic phenomenon. And guess what? On 28th of February, this alignment will reach its peak. Well, this is actually happening just 2 days after the Mahashivratri and the conclusion of the Mahakumbh. Coincidence, or is there something deeper? Welcome to Space Talk. I am Kshitija Gosavi and this is your space guide to make science simple, fun and fascinating. Right now, 7 major planets are aligning in a rare celestial event. While multi-planet alignments happen from time to time, one with 7 planets visible in close proximity is special and won't occur again in the exact same way for many years to come. 7 planets are aligning, subtly affecting Earth's gravitational field, tides and even human energy levels. Ancient yogis believed such alignments amplify spiritual energy, making it the best time for meditation and manifestation. And the most mind-blowing part, this cosmic shift peaks right after Mahashivratri, the night dedicated to Lord Shiv, the ultimate cosmic force. Now let's talk about science. Well, NASA research shows that planetary alignments can influence Earth's magnetosphere, which affects space weather, radio signals, and even subtle shifts in our biological rhythms, like our sleep and our mood. Some studies suggest that geomagnetic activity peaked during major celestial events, subtly impacting our mental and emotional state. While in Hinduism, planets known as Navagrahas are believed to influence karma and destiny. A planetary alignment right after Mahashivratri will open a powerful energetic gateway for transformation. Additionally, Mahakumbh, the world's largest spiritual gathering, concludes on 26 February. It is believed that the sacred rivers become highly energized during this time, making 28th of February a highly significant moment from a spiritual perspective. Think about it. 2 major spiritual events are coinciding with a rare celestial alignment. If you meditate, this is the perfect time. Many believe it activates the third eye, boosting focus and intuition. If you feel restless or energized, blame the cosmos. NASA says celestial events can subtly impact emotions and sleep cycles. And if you love space, this is history in making. Now, the most frequently asked question is when and where to watch it. Right after sunset, 45 minutes post the sundown. It is crucial to find a location with minimal light pollution to maximize visibility. 5 planets, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn can be seen with the naked eye, although Saturn may be challenging to spot due to its proximity to Sun. Uranus and Neptune, being further and dimmer, will require binoculars or telescope for clear viewing experience. This is a rare moment where science and spirituality are perfectly in sync. Whether you're a space geek, a spirituality seeker, or just someone who loves witnessing rare celestial wonders, 28 February is your night to connect with the universe. What do you think about this beautiful cosmic phenomenon? Tag your friends and share it with every space and spirituality lover.